Hello students, welcome to Tutorial India once again. Today we will learn about persuasion and credibility building in legal writing, legal content writing. So before starting this session, I want to ask you one thing, that have you gone through my previous sessions of legal writing? Because you have not gone through the previous sessions of my legal writing, then this session will be of no use to you. So keep this thing in mind while you start to learn the techniques for persuasion and credibility in legal writing. So let's get started, and I hope that you have gone through my previous videos, as it is a continuation and the last part of legal writing session that I will take with you. So let's get started and let's understand the concepts minutely from each and every angle. The first part is objective persuasion, persuasive language, credibility building, logical argumentation. The first thing first, the language that you use in legal writing can enhance its impact. The impact of you can create an impact in the mind of your reader for legal writing when the language of your legal writing is persuasive enough to build interest in the reader's mind. Credibility building enhances the credibility with the court by being objectively persuasive. You can create persuasion and credibility building in your writing when you highlight the cases in your writing, that in certain, as for certain cases, what were the verdict, what were the acquisition, what was the outcome of the case, and how to approach in these types of cases so that you can win the case in the court. Logical argumentation. Constructing logical and coherent arguments is essential for legal writing. So these are the fundamental things that you need to keep in mind while writing a legal content. Because without logical argumentation, you cannot establish your point in front of the court. So keep this thing in mind, because court does not only hear the logic, but they also need evidences. So if your writing is backed by evidences, facts and sources, then only it can create a credibility in the eyes of the court as well as in the eyes of the reader. So keep this thing in mind while writing legal contents. The second thing is research and evidence. I have already told you that thorough research, objective presentation and effective argumentation is essential for writing a legal content, because without conducting thorough research and organizing the evidence effectively, you cannot prove your point in the court. You cannot prove your point in the eyes of the reader also. So presenting the evidence objectively and logically is important. Effective argumentation. Constructing persuasive arguments based on thorough research can prove to be a game changer for you. Professional language, professional tone, clear and concise language, engaging content. Use a professional and respectful tone in the legal writing. Clarity and conciseness in the language can enhance the impact. Engaging the content, engaging the reader through professional and compelling language can help you to build connection with your target audience and connection with your readers of the legal content. Because if your language consists of too much jargons, too much ambiguity, then it can create problems in the mind of the reader to understand that what was the case is, what was the verdict is, and what was the outcome of the case. So keep this thing in mind. Try to keep things as simple as possible. Ethical considerations, ethical writing, transparency, integrity and professional conduct. Adhering to ethical principles in legal writing is essential, because unethical things are not entertained in legal writing. So you need to be ethical in your approach while writing any legal content, especially for legal content. Transparency and integrity. Maintaining transparency and integrity in legal writing is very important because you cannot hide things. You are not allowed to hide the facts while writing a legal content. So try to be as transparent as possible so that people can trust you and try to understand you in a better manner. Professional conduct, upholding the professional conduct and ethical standards is essential while writing the legal content. So these are the fundamental basic things that I have already discussed with you regarding the legal content. If you have any other confusion, please feel free to ask me in the comment box in my next video, because along with this session, the concepts for writing the legal content, how to write the legal content, how to approach, what should be your approach for writing a legal content is finished actually. So if you like this video, thank you all. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Tutorial India. In future you will get much more insights about content writing on different forms of content writing. So stay tuned and keep watching my channel and subscribe my channel to get more insightful videos like this. Thank you all.